Hello everybody, my name is Chan. In this video, this is going to be a part 2 version of how to set up Windows 11 offline. In a previous version, we went through the command scripts, but now we're going to go through the registration editor. Now, same thing as the previous one, but straight to the editor. So we can go straight to the point now. Let's do it. Shift F10. Registry editor. So we go to H key LM, which is H key local machine. Let's make this full screen. Software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, OOBE, create a new, it's called BypassNRO. Let's see if I spelled correctly. I press 1. And then I exit. Let's shut down. Right, back to the menu. I don't have an internet. And Chan. No password, it's just a local account. There you go, local count. See? So I go to settings, and there you go, local count. And that's how you create an offline installation. You know, offline, my local count instead of this whole Outlook or Microsoft account. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And Chan out.